So today I'm trying out this Mac Sports Excel folding wagon. I've always wanted a heavy duty one with sturdy wheels, which it claims to have. So let's unbox it and see how it really is. The box itself feels quite heavy. The wagon weighs around 12 kgs and it can carry up to 159 kgs or 350 pounds. Let's first test the ease of folding and opening. Once you open the Velcro straps, you just pull it apart and it opens right up. There's a pull loop right in the center, a quick lift, and the whole frame collapses in one motion. Pretty effortless. One thing I like here, the back panel actually unzips. So if you are carrying longer items, it gives you an extra extension. The base length is about 38.6 inches and you can stretch it out even further when needed. It also has a small zippered pocket inside, handy for keeping smaller items secure and easy to reach. On the other side, you also get two standard size bottle holders. Now coming to the handle. There's a locking clip here that lets you adjust the height based on your comfort. Set it where you need, lock it in place, and it holds steady. To pull it along, the handle is stuck neatly into the frame. Just press the blue release and it slides out smoothly, ready to go. The rear wheels rotate 360 degrees, which makes maneuvering really easy in tight spaces. And both back wheels come with brakes. Just press them down and the wheels lock completely in place. The steel frame feels genuinely solid, really well built and sturdy. I've actually used a few wagons from different brands before, and having used this for some time before filming, I can say this one definitely feels like one of the sturdiest so far. What really stands out is how smoothly it pulls, even on rough roads and grass, while still handling heavy-duty use without any struggle. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Enchanting Endeavors.